Hi friends, introducing the NT5 Ultra X model by NAVEE, and this is a dual motor, 1200 watts. Each motor goes at a speed of 50 km per hour and a range of 80 km. It has an incline of 45% incline, comes with a headlight in the bottom, a single click lock, wind guard over here, comes with the electric horn, and also has a locking feature over here where you can lock it. If you have a number plate, yes, you can put a number plate over here. Has a dual shock absorber. Both are having disc brakes. So if you are looking for uphill ride, off-road ride, so NT5 is your choice. With a dual motor, has a indicator on the sidebars over here. Locking feature, you can hang on something over here. The good part is Apple Find Me, so you can lock this phone by your mobile. Also you can find by Apple Find Me if you are looking to be safer on road, if you are looking for the best vehicle of the year. CS award winning NAVEE is over here. For more feature, you want to have a look personally, do visit our shop. We have a deal going on now. We're giving this helmet free. This helmet free with this NT5. Also, you have a promo code. We have a Get 15 promo code with this. With this, you get a 15% off on the NAVEE product when you buy at Kaliga Bazaar on our website. Get 15 is the promo code. Thank you so much for watching our video. Do subscribe, like our channel for more updates with NAVEE.